Cue the dramatic music, because we're about to bust a myth that's been haunting us for generations, the terror of knuckle cracking. Picture the scene, a quiet room, a tense silence, then, crack, a knuckle pops, and someone gasps, "You'll get arthritis." Hold on to your hats, folks, because this just isn't true. That's right, we've been living under a false alarm. No scientific evidence supports the claim that cracking your knuckles will lead to arthritis. You heard it right, that satisfying pop is completely harmless. So next time you're in the mood for a little knuckle symphony, go ahead, crack away without fear. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you're armed with the truth. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep busting those myths.